Okay, Keith here again, play along practice every day. So let's go through the B major scale now. So we just did the B pentatonic, let's do it. I got the click up to 80 since you're probably getting a little familiar with these patterns. So let's get the click going and run through them and go from there. 1, 3, 4. All down picks, of course, to start. We'll go up to the third. We'll stop there. Let's do all up picks. Want to get right on that beat. Down, up in first position. Flub that one. Let's do it again. It's a little better. Okay, you want to get right on the beat, down, up. You can do them up, down. Down, down, up, up, go over and over it. Okay, let's go to the next position. And this one will start on the third. This is kind of the easy pentatonic position, but now we're playing major. So let's get all the notes in there. One thing I do is I always think mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And I always know that between the third and the fourth, there's only a half step in between the seventh and an eighth. Sometimes it helps you from getting confused as to where you're at. So anyway, let's start on the sixth here. We're going to go 6, 7, 8. So there's always a half step, and then that'll put us on do. Okay, if that makes sense to you. Here we go. All down to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way down to the sixth. Okay, let's do them all up. Flub that one. I gotta watch myself too. Is it here? How kind of anticipated that one? You want to get right on the beat. Let's try the down ups on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. There we go, and that's, of course, in that position. We're going to go to this CAGED position, all down. Ready? 4. Let's go all up. 3, 4. course, now down, up. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one, which will be this caged position. It's going to start on the second degree of the scale. So let's do all down. Now all up. Okay, and now, of course, down, up. 2, 3, 4. More time on that. That one. Now remember, when we're playing these, just kind of let me interject for a second. Remember, you're not always starting on Do or B. Here you're starting on the second one, which is the kind of caged pentatonic patterns that we're playing over. And when you add the major scale, you know, you're getting the fourth in there. You're getting the fourth note of the scale in there. So when the cage misses the pentatonic misses the fourth note of the scale, in the major scale, you put it in. Same with the seventh too. Puts the fourth and the seventh in it when you play the major scale. Okay, so that was this one, and let's go up to the last one. Let's do all up. Okay, now let's do the down, up. I want one more note extra above it. Let's do it again. It's in the scale, but it just seemed like it laid itself over the neck a little bit better like that. So let's try it again. 1, 4, 3, 4. There's the extra note. Now, obviously, the F sharp is in the scale, so I should probably put it in. So, okay, so there you have it. There's the B major scales on different inversions on the caged system. So go through them, and tomorrow we'll add another one. Hey, keep practicing. It's consistency that makes you better.